Hello everyone and welcome to this quick tip on the image formats that are now available in KeyShot. In previous versions of the software, you may have found that you were limited on the file formats that you could previously use for textures and labels, forcing you to convert any raw native files that you had using third-party pieces of software. KeyShot has now expanded their list of formats that it now supports, reducing the need for this extra step. You can import native raw image files that were taken with different digital cameras, such as Nikon and Canon, as well as original files from devices such as iPhones, like this HEIC file. This can help speed up the render workflow to help you create your scenes quickly and efficiently. KeyShot can now also read the image's embedded color profile and convert these into standard RGB profiles that KeyShot uses. This means that the image will look consistent between KeyShot and any other pieces of software that you might use for post-processing purposes. As well as for textures, as mentioned, it can also be for labels. So here I have a WebP file, which is a smaller file size compared to your standard JPEG or PNGs, which can then also help reduce the overall file size of your KeyShot scenes. Like with other image file formats, these can be edited and manipulated using the sliders in the texture profile or by the 3D dragger. That's it for this quick tip on the latest for image formats in KeyShot. Thank you for listening.